Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is another in our week-long series of writing your form. Here we have a brush, and we're probably rather all familiar with the design of signage, which is very spare and very clear. And by clear, I mean, even to somebody who is illiterate. So, for example, this on a road sign would signal traffic moves both ways, right? We might also see something like this, suggesting that, there's a roundabout. Right? Very, very spare, very few number of strokes, and quite clear whether literate or not, whether fully attentive or not, and not drawing your attention away for so long as to endanger yourself. In other words, it's not fine print, it's not extra serifs and strokes, it's just very, very simple. So the idea with the homework is to write your form in this fashion. So, for example, I might feel like the general and very spare, simplified, the sort of elegant view of the first movement is this. For example, I may feel like the general flow, the general feel, the general directions of the second movement are this and then that, or right. For example, I may feel like the third movement is this and this and this, right? Very, very spare. So I'm not writing names. I'm just sort of suggesting the general flow. So I'm not going to cover every little detail. That's going to be in the classics. That's going to be in your teacher's lessons. That's going to be in your attendance at class. That's going to be in your own understandings of the arts. But that's your homework. Write your whole form after this fashion. Thank you. Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.